Welcome to Mercantile Bank's new Kalamazoo downtown location. While we had great intentions of welcoming you to our new offices in person, 2020 had different plans in store for us. So we are now bringing you our open house virtually. Our new office is located at 211 East Water Street on the first floor of the historic Globe building in downtown Kalamazoo. In addition to our improved and updated space, we are making banking more convenient for our customers with dedicated parking right outside of our door. We hope you'll find our new offices as enjoyable and refreshing as we do. So come take a look and meet the rest of the team. So here we are in our new location in downtown Kalamazoo. What I'd love to do is show you around, introduce you to the staff, and tell you a little bit more about the services that we can provide to you here in our location. I'd like to introduce you to Talia Coleman. She is our business personal banker here in Kalamazoo, and she can assist you with your banking needs as well as our live ATM that's available to our customers as well. And to assist you with your residential mortgage needs, whether it's buying a home or refinancing an existing one, we have Kristen Weimer and Jim Kingsley to help you out. And for our business customers and their commercial banking needs, we have our commercial loan staff, which includes Jordan Higgins and Deb Musk, who isn't here today, in our credit underwriting area, as well as our lenders, Justin Horn, Josh Bush, and Lisa Caravu, and on the treasury management side, Kim Labadie. As you can see, our look may have changed, but the high quality relationship banking that you've come to expect from Mercantile Bank hasn't. So we hope that you've enjoyed our virtual open house and will come to see us soon. Thank you again from all of us here at Mercantile Bank's downtown Kalamazoo location.